Highway. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To the new subscribers, my name is Erica. For my old subscribers, guys, thank you guys for staying subscribed to my channel even if I vanished for a long time. My 76 subscribers, yeah, 76 subscribers, I do count. Yeah, thank you guys very much. I know I don't do much on my YouTube channel. It's just, you know, random things and all that kind of stuff, but I'm glad that you guys still stay subscribed. And also, so for today's video, as you can see from the title, it's another unboxing of a Louis Vuitton replica bag. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for coming back, and so make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and I would say tell me what you want, but I'm very lazy when it comes to doing videos, so I'm sorry about that, my subscribe. I'm supposed to be dedicated to you guys. Ish, what am I doing? Okay, so let's get into this video. I'm going to be unboxing. I haven't opened this bag. I'm opening it right here on camera. I'm opening it right here on camera. So this is the bag. So okay, let me close my computer, which is there. So from this bag, what I'm hoping for from this box that I bought, I'm hoping for quality. I want to know, like, I want the quality to be super good. I don't want to be like those Chinese replica bags, those downgraded replica bags. I don't want that. And also, I'm looking to see if it came with the Louis Vuitton box, but from the, I'm not sure if this is the right box that it comes in, but I hope in the comment section somebody can tell me if this is how it comes, like the real Louis Vuitton bag, if that's the original what box, or yeah, I need someone to tell me that in this. So okay, so let's open it and let's see what these people did for us. But I'm glad I got this bag because I love this bag. I know it's going to be used for so many things, even if I'm not a handbag person, but I know for sure I'm going to use this bag for almost everything now. Yeah, okay guys, I know I'm going to use it for almost everything because this is like one of my favorite bags that I see on the internet and the rest. So I know I've only been doing let's see, from my videos, I know I've done a lot of Louis Vuitton bags. That's because Louis Vuitton is kind of like my favorite brand when it comes to handbags. Yeah, like high-end brands, like Louis Vuitton is one of my favorite brands. So yeah, maybe I'll try maybe a Chanel bag, maybe in my next. Oh, okay. Shh. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Okay. So. See. Oh, okay. Okay, I just threw that in here. So this is the box it comes in. I really like it showing. This is a box it came in. Okay, now I know this box is not the one Okay, this box is the one, but the shade of this box is not authentic. You know this is a replica because the shape, okay, not the shape. God, what am I saying? Is it the excitement? Okay, I know I don't look excited, but I'm excited deep inside. The color of the box is not really the original box color, so I know this is a real replica. I would say real. Okay, yeah. Wow, wow, wow. It's supposed to have like a ribbon and stuff like that, but yeah, well, can't wait to do that. I rather do one. Okay, so this is the Louis Vuitton Never Full bag. I don't know what other words are there, but I know it's a Never Full bag. That's all I know, and it's Louis Vuitton, so don't come at me. But yeah, maybe in the comment section somebody can tell me what the full names of this bag is, because I think I've done a little research on it, but I love the bag. Cause you see, doesn't really smell like plastic or anything. It doesn't have a bad smell, but definitely I'll need to put it outside for ventilation so that I know. And so in China they also put the fake bags, oh, fake receipts, sorry. They put some receipts, I know definitely these are fake, and they also put these stickers, probably were supposed to go outside. And also, you see, fake receipts. They say 00000, and these are from February 15, 2017. So you know these are fake, like, but it's cool. It's cool. I am bothered. I know. The bag. Huh. Have to remove it. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Excuse me. Like, okay. Doesn't smell, at least. It doesn't, but it has a scent, and it also comes with a purse. The purse. Okay, yeah. It also comes with this, and inside is like this. So at least for me, it's a win-win. I have this, I have that. So now I'm gonna have to. I like the bag. I love the bag, and I think I'm happy with it. So far, I've been satisfied by the seller, and also customer service for this bag was super good. And I think I have my new bag. This is my new bag, so it's going to my collection. And like, I love the quality, super good. And it's actually a little, it's not light, it's actually like a little, just teeny tiny. It's teeny tiny, has a little weight, so I like it. So that customer service was good from the shop. Okay, everything just came perfectly. Nothing that looks like yeah, that. And maybe I should buy also the other one. Yeah, maybe I'll have to sleep on it. So this is it, guys. So this is it. I'll be carrying this baby everywhere I go now. It's going to, but I don't really move, but I'll be carrying it everywhere. So yeah. So guys, thank you very much for staying tuned to my YouTube video. I think that's all for today. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you leave a comment, like, and also please share my videos. And also, in case you don't share my videos, okay, just tell somebody about my channel. Just come on guys, get me to 100. I haven't even reached 100 for almost 1 year, and I've had this YouTube channel. Guys, come on, do your girl a favor and get her to 100. I'll be thankful, very thankful, very thankful. So guys, I'll see you in my next YouTube video, but I don't really know what it's going to be about. Maybe I should do a try on haul, but I just don't have enough space in the house right now, so I have to find a place. So I'm going to do a try on haul. And okay, yeah, that, and I will see you in my next video. Let me try to buy some clothes and figure out what kind of style I want for this spring finishing into spring summer. Yeah, spring summer, that's what it's going to be. So guys, thank you very much for staying tuned. Love you. See you in my next video. Bye.